Welcome to Eduquestzone. Let's begin the MCQs quiz. Question number 151. Which of the following is true for first normal form? Option A. Each attribute contains atomic values only. First normal form ensures that all columns contain atomic values only. Question number 152. Second normal form removes which type of dependency? Option A. Partial dependency. 2NF eliminates partial dependency from relations. Question number 153. Third normal form ensures the removal of which dependency? Option B. Transitive dependency. Third normal form eliminates transitive dependencies between non-key attributes. Question number 154. What is Boyce Codd normal form? Option B. Every determinant is a candidate key. Boyce Codd normal form ensures every determinant is a candidate key. Question number 155. Which normal form deals with multi-valued dependencies? Option C. Fourth normal form. Fourth normal form eliminates multi-valued dependencies. Question number 156. What is the purpose of normalization in databases? Option B. Reduce redundancy and improve consistency. Normalization reduces redundancy and enhances data consistency. Question number 157. What is a transaction in a database system? Option B. A set of operations performed as a single unit. A transaction is a unit of work executed as a single operation maintaining atomicity. Question number 158. Which property of transactions ensures that either all operations are performed or none at all? Option A. Atomicity. Atomicity guarantees that the transaction executes completely or not at all. Question number 159. In concurrency control, which phenomenon is prevented by the isolation property? Option B. Dirty reads and lost updates. Isolation prevents one transaction from seeing intermediate data of another concurrent transaction. Question number 160. Which concurrency control protocol ensures serializability using timestamps? Option B. Timestamp ordering protocol. Timestamp ordering protocol guarantees serial execution based on assigned timestamps. Question number 161. Which SQL clause is used to filter groups after the group by operation? Option C. Having. The having clause is applied after grouping to filter results based on aggregates. Question number 162. Which indexing technique supports range queries efficiently? Option B. B plus tree index. B plus trees are ideal for range queries because of their ordered structure. Question number 163. Which join returns all records from both tables including unmatched rows with null values? Option C. Full outer join. Full outer join includes all records from both tables with nulls where there's no match. Question number 164. What does query optimization primarily aim to minimize? Option B. Disk I/O and CPU cost. Query optimization minimizes execution costs such as disk input-output and CPU usage. Question number 165. In distributed databases, which transparency ensures a user can access data without knowing its physical location? Option C. Location transparency. Location transparency means users can access data without knowing where it resides. Question number 166. Which SQL feature allows execution of a query inside another query? Option B. Subquery. Subqueries are queries nested inside another SQL statement. Question number 167. Which of the following represents a cost-based optimization approach? Option C. Cost-based optimization. Cost-based optimization selects the query plan with minimum estimated execution cost. Question number 168. What is a replicated fragment in distributed databases? Option C. Copy of fragment stored at multiple sites. Replicated fragments are copies of data stored across sites to improve availability. Question number 169. Which SQL command is used to assign an alias to a column or table? Option C. As. AS keyword assigns an alias to a column or table name. Question number 170. In distributed databases, what ensures updates made at one site are propagated to others? Option C. Replication management. Replication management propagates updates to maintain consistency among copies. Question number 171. Which SQL clause is used to group rows that have the same values in specified columns into summary rows? Option B. Group by. The correct answer is group by clause, which groups rows with the same values. Question number 172. In SQL, the having clause is used with which other clause? Option C. Group by. The correct answer is group by. Having works with group by to filter aggregated data. Question number 173. Which is a correlated subquery? Option B. Salary greater than select average salary where department equals E.Dept. A correlated subquery uses the outer queries column. Question number 174. Which join returns only those records that have matching values in both tables? Option C. Inner join. The correct answer is inner join, as it matches records in both tables. Question number 175. In distributed databases, data replication helps in. Option B. Improving reliability and performance. Data replication increases availability and fault tolerance in distributed databases. Question number 176. What is the main purpose of query optimization in databases? Option B. To speed up query execution. Query optimization improves query performance by minimizing cost and time. Question number 177. Which of the following techniques can be used to improve distributed query performance? Option B. Data fragmentation and replication. Distributed query optimization uses fragmentation and replication to reduce data transfer cost. Question number 178. What is a distributed transaction? Option B. A transaction across multiple databases. A distributed transaction maintains atomicity and consistency across multiple databases. Question number 179. Which protocol ensures atomic commitment in distributed databases? Option B. Two-phase commit protocol. Two-phase commit ensures atomic transaction completion across distributed databases. Question number 180. In distributed query processing, the main goal is to Option B. Minimize data transfer and cost. Distributed query processing aims to reduce data transfer and optimize performance. Thank you for watching. Visit eduquestzone.com for more quizzes.